Hello, it's Mrs. Blocks here. Round off, part 2. In the previous video clip, I've explained how to round off to the nearest 10. Let me just revise all the information. Round off can also be estimation. And when I see round off or I read round off, I need my friends. Now we're going to round off to the nearest 100. Now remember, in the previous video clip, when I round off to the nearest 10, I circle the tens. Now when I round off to the nearest 100, I circle the hundreds. And I go to my friend just behind me. I don't go to my units, I go to my friend the tens. And I ask, 8, must I stay 1 or must I move to 2? So the 8 say, I must move. You don't go to 1 to say what to do. You go to your friend. Your friend is telling you what to do. So 8 say, I must move to 2, and I end off with 2 zeros because 100 has 2 zeros. So my answer will be 200. Round off to the nearest 100, I circle the hundreds. Who's my friend? 2. If they circle this hundreds and they go to the back one after the hundreds, they won't make a mistake. So I don't go to 9, I go to my friend 2. So 2 say, I must stay. Right? So the 9 stay. Because there are 2 zeros at my 100, there must be 2 zeros, and the 1 just stay as it is, so it will be 1,900. Next one, I circle my hundreds because the question is still round off to the nearest 100. So I go to my friend 7, and the 7 tell the 2 it must move to 3. Hope you see this pattern. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, and the 4 just stay as it is. So it's 4,300. Now the next one is a bit of a catch out because there's units, tens, but there's no hundreds. But I can make 100. And that 100 has a 0. So I circle my 100. I go to my friend 5. And what does 5 say? I must move to 1. So my answer will be 100. These two questions are always catch outs, but I think you will understand it now. Units, tens, hundreds. So I circle my hundreds. What does the 9 tells the 9? It must move, but it must move to 10, right? So I put a 0 there. I'm not allowed to put another digit at the place. So I carry it over. So that means my answer will be 1,000. Let us move to the nearest 1,000. Round off to the nearest 1,000. Yes. Now I circle the thousands. Can you see how easy this is? So I go to my friend 9. 9, must I stay 1 or must I move to 2? What does 9 say? You must move to 2. And 3 zeros, because 1,000 has 3 zeros. So my answer will be 2,000. Units, tens, hundreds, 1,000. Can you see? I'm working with my place values. So I circle my 1,000. 4. Must I stay 8 or must I move to 9? And what does 4 say? You must stay 8. So my answer will be 8,000. Now look at this big number. But you don't run away when you see big numbers. You just say units, tens, hundreds, thousands, and that will be 10,000s in grade 5. So I circle the thousands. I just circle the one they ask me. Don't worry about all the other numbers. They just want to confuse you. So I still just circle the thousands. And who's my friend? 6. 6, must I stay 3 or must I move to 4? So 6 say I must move to 4. Yes, 3 zeros behind and the 4 just stay as it is. So this will be 44,000. Last one, I circle the thousands. Who's my friend? 9. 9, must I stay 1 or must I move to 2? And what does 9 say? You must move to 2. And my answer will be 2,000. Hope you understand. Look at the next video clip, part 3, to explain estimation. Bye-bye.